Do you ever wonder where all your money disappears every month? You work hard, but your wallet is always empty. Let's fix that with a simple budgeting method anyone can use, even if you're broke. Step 1. Know your income. Write down how much money you make every month. Include salary, side hustle, or any cash you receive. Budgeting starts with knowing what you actually have. Step 2. Track your expenses. List every shilling or dollar you spend: rent, food, transport, even snacks. Most people are shocked when they see where their money goes. Step 3. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt. It's a simple way to control your spending without feeling restricted. Step 4. Use a budgeting tool. It can be a notebook, spreadsheet, or free app. The best tool is the one you'll actually use every week. Step 5. Review your budget weekly. Check if you're overspending and adjust. Small weekly changes add up to big wins. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe to the channel, and comment budget below. I'll reply with a free template to get you started.